We'll guide you through how to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So in order to check if our Secure Boot is enabled or not, we have to press our Windows key and our R key. Windows R. This pop-up will open up. Over here, we need to write msinfo32. I already have it written, so we can just go ahead and press OK. This pop-up will open up, and from this pop-up, you will see your Secure Boot state. Mine says on, that means I'm good to go. However, if yours says off, we need to turn it on. And how we turn it on is basically we shut our computer down, and after shutting it down, we boot it back up and enter the BIOS, which I'll show you how to do. So just shut your computer off. Although it differs from PC to PC, getting into the BIOS is pretty simple. You either press your F1, F2, F10 or delete key, depending on your manufacturer. You could try pressing all of them in hopes of getting into the BIOS, or sometimes there will be some text on the bottom side of your screen when booting up telling you exactly what to press. When inside the BIOS, I have to click the Advanced button on top, then I have to go into Settings, then Advanced, and I need to make sure that my UEFI mode is enabled and not my CSM mode. So just to make sure again, I've clicked on the UEFI mode. Then we can actually go ahead and enable our Secure Boot. So if you press on Security, and then you can see Secure Boot right there. You don't have to change your Secure Boot mode. It should be set to standard. If it isn't, just turn on your Secure Boot, and then your Secure Boot mode should automatically go to standard. However, if it doesn't, then you can change it to standard manually. It's possible that your Secure Boot is located somewhere else. For example, it could be in your Settings tab. You could browse around there to try to find it. It could be in the Security tab like it was for me, or to make things easier in the modern motherboards, you can just search it up. There's a search icon on the top right. Just click it and write in secure and your Secure Boot will pop up. Once you have it enabled, you can just cross out of the BIOS and then press save and then press yes and boot back into your computer. Once we've booted back in order to make sure that a Secure Boot is enabled, we can press Windows R and type in msinfo32 and click on OK. And in this area, we'll find our Secure Boot state right there. As you can see, I'll highlight it in blue now. It says on. It said on for me before too, but if it said off for you guys, after making the tweak in the BIOS, it should say on. We hope that this video proved to be helpful for you guys. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.